to Mbokazi. Now Mbule. Good running again from Hotto. His first touch.
Another good run from Dion Hotto, finding the space as well. A good ball. First touch just on his path. But yeah, Apollos again, just really a good first touch. Really looking for that first goal.
And new player Sipho Mbule had one game towards the end of the last campaign. There's been talk about getting in a more month to go, of course, in the transfer window. The Buccaneers have been so busy. It's a turn. Experience there of Mkaki to clear it away. Looking very positive in these early stages.
The rhythm, that's what they're looking for in terms of just the interchange of passes.
Radio Pane. Mbule. Little dummy there for Radio Pane. Will get there first. So the hold off the defender. Offer King very quickly to support him. Otto on the right foot at the moment. Mbule. He wants to be the playmaker. You can see already eyeing up all the opportunities. Hotto with another cross.
It takes a lot of energy, and still the quality of crosses in the final third is just commendable.
Now Mbule under a little bit of pressure. Still in possession here, back to collect. Mbule last season on loan from Mamelodi Sundowns, starting his career of course with Sipho United. Aswangani now switching, looking here for Mofokeng. Told us at the end of last season. I've addressed that with Coach Mahafi in the pre-match interview. It was a very good second half of the season. Last win they had was in March against Richards Bay, so long overdue a win. It's going to be a hard task to get. Means some medical treatment here.
Tackle behind, catching the ankles of Mbule. You know he's going to get on the ball, so it's just really, to try and just unsettle him a little bit so that he's not comfortable playing or pulling those strings in that midfield.
Reception from the bad boy image too doesn't helps him a little bit. People have some empathy for Sipho Mbule, his ups and downs. Really, as I presume Mbule has done, no hesitation of sticking him into the team.
Absolutely. I think we haven't seen Mbule really in the national team, and he should have those aspirations as well.
There he is. Left-footed pass, looking for Radio Pane. Good interception again from Nikani. Again with Mbule. Looking from their team. Too much chasing from Polokwane Cities. Not as a place setting any traps for Orlando Pirates. Hoping more to catch them with a turnover possession on the counter. Mbule. Possession on the counter. Mbule. Apollos. Mbule inside to Mbule.
Pirates, every single player is behind the ball and in their own half, especially in the 18-yard box. It's going to take so much from them, I think.
Power's busted in, but we do expect before the window closes, we'll see a few more additions from them.
Delivering those, but just this time around hitting it short.
Here's Hotto.
Going to be very different just in terms of the quality of players who have been released.
And I think what's also makes it fascinating is some of the clubs. A long throw from Mantosi. It's Moremi with the effort. Got a season, of course, they ran. Mamelodi Sundowns pretty close. It was an own goal in extra time that saw Sundowns advance. Now, here they come, looking for a quick cut into Kaizer Chiefs' record as the long-standing team that really dominated this competition. It's 13 wins to Pirates now, 15 to Kaizer Chiefs. Chiefs, of course, not participating this year because they didn't qualify for a second successive season, which is oh, lovely. The opening goal from Osman Apollos, and then Patrick Maswanganyi sticking the penalty in to double the scoreline. There's a dismissive shove in the back from Sipho Mbule. There's Mapangule and Mbule again. And what's the referee say? Pirates ball. Now Nduli. Nicely done. Mbule. Mofoke. Sipho Mbule. And a late challenge there. Some frustration, I think, from the youngster Mantosi. Really unnecessary. Soccer's equivalent of a lovely sunrise.
Yeah.
Here's Mbule now. Sipho Mbule. He's pulled back from behind by Moremi. He's also a little bit frustrated now, Moremi. Cool down, says Mr. Kistor, and leaves it at that, quite rightly so too. Going off, by the way. Kabelo Dlamini will come on in his place. Sipho Mbule to be replaced in the midfield. This is the new player from Stade Malien in Mali, Abdoulaye Mariko. Not much known about him. Spotted in African competition. Cut there. I think he's hurt himself in the process, Dlamini. Or the boot might have come off.